Hi, feeling nervous about moving to an English-speaking country with zero skills? Don't sweat it, you're definitely not alone. Whether you're already here or just planning to make the leap, life in a new country can be super overwhelming, especially when the language and culture feel completely different. But guess what? We've got your back. In today's video, we're sharing some simple, easy tips to help you not just survive, but really thrive, even if you're starting from zero. We'll cover everything from quick communication tricks to understanding local customs. Plus, we've got some amazing resources for you. Language classes, community centers, online platforms, all designed to boost your confidence and skills fast. But here's the key. It's not just about learning the basics. It's also about building your support network. We'll show you how to make friends, connect with others, and feel at home wherever you go. Ready to take the plunge? Stick with us. And by the end of this video, you'll have a toolbox full of strategies to tackle anything that comes your way. Let's dive in and start your journey to success. Essential phrases you need to know. When you're in an English-speaking country, having a few key phrases under your belt can make all the difference in your daily interactions. Let's start with greetings. Simple things like hello, how are you, and nice to meet you are perfect for breaking the ice and making a great first impression. Now let's talk about asking for help. Phrases like, excuse me, can you help me? Or I'm looking for are super important when you need assistance, whether you're lost or just need directions. These phrases show you're ready to engage, and they make it easier for others to lend a hand. When you're dining out, knowing how to order food is a must. Phrases like, I would like, or can I have the menu please, are your go-to when navigating restaurants. And don't forget to sprinkle in some politeness. Thank you and please go a long way in building good vibes with locals. These essential phrases are the building blocks of effective communication, and they'll boost your confidence in everyday situations. So practice them out loud. The more you use them, the more comfortable you'll get. Remember, every conversation is a chance to learn and improve. So go ahead and put these phrases into action. Body language, your secret weapon. When you're navigating a new culture, especially in an English-speaking country, body language is your best friend. It plays a huge role in communication, often saying more than words ever could. Understanding and using gestures can help you break through language barriers, making your interactions smoother and more effective. For example, a thumbs up is a universal sign of approval or agreement, while a friendly wave is a simple way to greet someone. Nodding your head usually means you understand or agree, and shaking your head means the opposite. These gestures can help you express yourself and understand others, even if you're not yet fluent in the language. Facial expressions are just as important. A smile, it can make people feel welcomed and at ease. Eye contact shows you're engaged and really listening. These small, powerful actions can strengthen your connections with others. Being expressive with your body language not only helps you communicate more clearly, but it also lets you connect with people on a deeper level. And don't forget, observing others' body language can give you extra context, helping you understand social situations even better. So don't hold back. Embrace the power of body language to connect with others. The more you practice being expressive and paying attention, the more confident you'll feel in your interactions. It'll make your experience in an English-speaking country way more enjoyable. Finding your tribe. When you're in a new place, connecting with others is key to feeling at home. One of the best ways to do this? Finding your tribe. Joining local clubs or groups is a great way to meet people who share your interests. Whether it's a sports team, a book club, or a hobby group, these spaces offer a relaxed vibe where you can bond over common passions. Making friends isn't just about having fun. It's about building a support network that can help you through the challenges of living in a new country. Friends can offer advice, share their experiences, and provide a sense of belonging that's priceless during your transition. When you're out there looking to connect, it's important to be open and approachable. A friendly smile and a willingness to chat can go a long way. Don't be afraid to introduce yourself or ask people about their hobbies and interests. People love sharing their stories, and a little curiosity can open doors. Remember, everyone is looking for connection, just like you. So take that first step. Attend local events, volunteer, or join online communities that spark your interest. The more you put yourself out there, the closer you'll get to finding your tribe. And once you do, your experience in an English-speaking country will not only be easier, it'll be so much more fun. Using technology to your advantage. In today's digital world, technology is your secret weapon on the journey to learn English. There are tons of apps and tools out there, designed to make mastering the language not just effective, but fun. One popular choice is Duolingo. With its gamified approach, Duolingo turns learning into a game, letting you practice vocabulary and grammar at your own pace while keeping things exciting. Another great app is Babbel, which focuses on real-life conversations and practical phrases, helping you feel confident in everyday situations. But it's not just about learning apps. Translation apps like Google Translate are lifesavers when you're in a bind. Whether you're ordering food or asking for directions, these apps can help you quickly translate words or phrases, making communication a breeze, especially when you're out and about. And don't forget about the power of online resources. Websites, podcasts, and YouTube channels dedicated to learning English are packed with useful tips and tricks. Regularly engaging with these can strengthen what you've learned, plus expose you to different accents and dialects. So, make technology your ally in this language journey. By using these apps and resources daily, you'll see big progress in your English skills, and you might even have fun along the way. Embracing mistakes. When learning a new language, making mistakes is part of the fun, and it's actually one of the best ways to learn. I remember my first time trying to speak English at a cafe. I confidently ordered 2 coffees, but what came out was 2 cows. The barista looked at me like I had 2 heads, and I felt so embarrassed. But honestly, that moment taught me so much about the importance of clarity and pronunciation. I still laugh about it to this day. Mistakes are totally normal, and everyone makes them. Yes, even native speakers mix up words from time to time. The key is not to see these blunders as failures, but as little stepping stones toward improvement. Each mistake shows you where you can improve, helping you get better and better. It's easy to feel discouraged when things don't go as planned, but remember, persistence is everything. Every time you try to speak, you're building your confidence and strengthening your skills. Celebrate your progress, no matter how small, and don't be afraid to speak up, even if you're not 100% sure. So next time you mess up, just laugh it off and learn from it. Share your story with others. They probably have a similar one. By embracing mistakes, you'll not only improve your English, but you'll also enjoy the learning process a whole lot more. Keep trying, stay positive, and remember, every effort gets you one step closer to fluency. Cultural immersion. Learn by doing. One of the best ways to learn a language is through cultural immersion. By diving into the culture around you, not only do you improve your language skills, but you also gain a deeper understanding of the people and their traditions. Participating in local events or festivals is an awesome way to jump in. Whether it's a music festival, a holiday celebration, or a community fair, these events give you the perfect chance to practice English while meeting new people and experiencing the local vibe. Another fun way to immerse yourself is by trying the local food scene. Visit restaurants, explore food markets, or even join a cooking class. You'll pick up tons of food-related vocabulary and phrases while enjoying some seriously delicious dishes. Asking about ingredients or how a dish is made can spark cool conversations and help you bond with locals. The magic of experiencing a new culture firsthand is something you can't get from a textbook. Every interaction, whether it's chatting with a vendor or joining in on a dance, deepens your understanding of the language and its unique nuances. The more you engage, the more confident you'll feel speaking the language. So step out of your comfort zone and embrace all the opportunities around you. Cultural immersion doesn't just boost your learning, it creates unforgettable memories and new friendships. Enjoy the ride, and remember, the world is your classroom. Conclusion. As we wrap up today's video, let's quickly recap what we've covered to help you survive and thrive in an English-speaking country, even if you're starting with 0 skills. First, we talked about the power of essential phrases, from greetings to ordering food. These will make your daily interactions a lot easier. Then we explored the importance of body language, showing how gestures can communicate just as much as words. Next, we discussed how finding your tribe through local clubs or groups can provide the support you need while adapting to your new life. We also introduced awesome tech tools like language learning and translation apps, which will boost your fluency in no time. Remember, mistakes are part of the process. Everyone makes them, and they're actually great learning opportunities. Finally, we highlighted the benefits of cultural immersion. Whether it's attending local events or tasting new foods, it's all about deepening your connection with the language and culture. Now, it's your turn to take action. If you found this video helpful, be sure to subscribe and give us a thumbs up to stay updated with more tips. We'd love to hear your stories, so share them in the comments below. And don't forget to check out our other videos for more insights on navigating life in an English-speaking country. Thanks for watching, and remember, every step you take brings you one step closer to your goals.